We have always loved using air fryers, but last year we upgraded to the Ninja Dual air fryer, and I am so happy we did. In the box came the dual zone air fryer, two 4-quart baskets, two nonstick crisper plates, and 15 recipes to kickstart my new air fryer cooking journey. It includes 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This makes it easy for us to cook practically anything. Temperature ranges from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 2 independent baskets allowing us to cook 2 foods 2 ways at 2 different times, which is awesome because with our old air fryer, we had to do back to back cooking in a single basket air fryer. We also have the option to use the match cook button to copy settings across zones so that both foods can be ready at the same time. The baskets are easy to clean and can be washed in the dishwasher or by hand. I always think about all the food I can cook that could be up to 75% less fat than traditional cooking methods.